Hello and welcome to DoubleTick. In this video, we'll show you how to create and send an RCS message to a customer on DoubleTick. In RCS, there are two types of messages you can send, a rich card and a carousel. In this video, we'll focus on the rich card. We cover the carousel in a separate video. A rich card is a single card that combines media, text, and interactive buttons, perfect for highlighting one product, offer, or announcement. Let's get started. From the navigation panel on the left, click on Chats. Inside Chats, click on New Chat to open a new customer conversation. Now enter your customer's phone number, along with the country code. Just below, you'll see the Send Message Via option. This shows the channel your message will go out from. By default, this may be your WhatsApp channel, so you'll need to switch it to your RCS channel. If the RCS channel isn't already selected, click on Change, choose your RCS channel, and click Continue. Once your RCS channel is selected, click Start Chat. Your conversation now opens, just like a regular chat. To create your message, click the attachment icon on the right. Here, you'll see your Rich Card message options. Click on Rich Card. Now let's build the card. You'll see two message types, Rich Card and Carousel. Select Rich Card. First, upload your media file. This can be an image, a video, or a PDF. Next, choose your card orientation, vertical or horizontal, along with the size you'd like. In the title field, add a short heading for your card. In the description field, enter your main message or message body. Finally, add your buttons. Buttons let your customer take action right from the card. There are 6 button types to choose from, like Quick Reply, Open URL, and Dial Number, and you can add up to 4 buttons on a single card. As you build your message, you'll see a live preview on the right-hand side, so you can see exactly how your rich card will look to your customer as you create it. Once your rich card is ready, go ahead and send it. And that's it, you've sent your first rich card over RCS. Just a quick note, RCS works only on Android devices that have RCS enabled. If your customer is on an iPhone or has RCS turned off, the message won't be delivered and you'll see a small error letting you know. Thanks for watching and happy messaging with DoubleTick.